Technological advances have always changed the way we work, and in some cases even made some jobs obsolete. In the near future, it is believed that self-driving cars will make all transportation jobs disappear, and that these new applications of artificial intelligence will disrupt many other industries as well, including the video game industry. But will AI replace game developers? In the upcoming years, we'll certainly see some changes happening, and I would like to propose some predictions about the future of AI in the video game industry. While developing a game, No Man's Sky's developers created bots to explore and document the game's vast world, so the artists could audit what their procedurally generated art looked like, and adjust if necessary. This is a good example of using computer programs to test some aspect of a game. I do, however, think that we could take this even further. Imagine if instead of the dumb bots in the earlier case, the bots were AI-powered virtual players that could be programmed to, for example, play aggressively or strategically. They could test the game 24/7 and find all possible bugs imaginable. Another benefit of machines is repeatability. One of the key aspects of a bug testing job is to replicate the inputs that led to the bug, and humans are relatively bad at replicating things repeatedly. Computer programs, on the other hand, can be as precise as needed and repeat things indefinitely. Another field that AI could be used in is music. AI has already created music indistinguishable from ones made by the greatest human artists. The music you are currently hearing in the background isn't Beatles, it was actually made by AI, created in the Sony CSL Research Lab. Now the challenge is to get AI to make music that fits with the rest of the game, but even this could be solved by having a skilled composer give it some parameters, review the result, and repeat the process as long until they get a fitting piece of music. Making game assets is a laborious and monotonous job, and thus giving the job to a computer program would make sense. You already can buy ready-made assets from an asset store, but the ones made by AI would be unique and possibly even cheaper. It is actually possible to do something like this already. For instance, a software company called Autodesk uses AI to generate different kinds of designs for car parts. The AI is just given some parameters like weight and instructed to make the strongest design, after which it generates various designs from which the human designers can pick from. Similarly, game artists or modelers could provide reference material and parameters like color palette or volume dimensions for an AI designer and then pick their preferred result. I believe that AI could even be implemented to write some of the code for a video game. Even today we have some examples of AI learning to code from reference material. And in the near future you could give the AI a task like make enemy shoot bullets at the player every 5 seconds, and it could provide the developer with a script in their preferred programming language. Of course, the tasks could increase in complexity as the AI learns to write more complex code. Finally, I think that even game design could be enhanced by AI. Much of design work is thinking from different perspectives and finding new connections between old ideas. AI could quickly run different simulations in its mind, connecting all kinds of ideas and situations, and then represent the results in text format or some other more detailed format like images or video. It could even design some systems this way. Something else that an AI designer could bring to the table is the fact that it isn't human and comes from different standpoints in its thinking, which could bring all kinds of new game experiences for us to see. These ideas may seem far-fetched, but examples of AI designing games actually already exist. Like this game here. It is made by an AI called Angelina, a research project of Michael Cook, a senior research fellow at the University of Falmouth. There is in fact a complete field of study called creative computing, in which people like Cook are trying to push computational creativity to new heights. So, will AI completely replace game developers? In the short term, of course not, but it will change the skills that are valued most. In the future, even more inexperienced game developers need to be in more of a lead position, as they guide their artificial workers to create content. They need to have vision and a good eye for quality. But even though AI will answer many questions, such as how to make games faster, more efficiently, and even what to make, it can never answer the most important question for every human game developer. Why do I want to make this game? So, tell me in the comments what kind of effects this new technology will have on the way we make and play games. Also, check out the links in the description for further information about this topic. You can also consider liking the video and subscribing if you'd like to see more of this kind of content in the future. Thanks for watching, see you next time.